Sammy, have you seen my favorite doll?
The doll wanted to go to the amusement park, so I decided to take her for a ride.
Don't you want to go for a ride too?
No, thanks.
Well, I insist.
Don't you dare!
Oh, I will dare. Guys, Sammy inspired me to craft a very interesting thing. Today we're going to make a mini ride that I loved so much when I was little. Right. Check out the measurements.
It won't be easy for you to make this craft. Ouch.
What are you implying?
Oh, you can't imagine.
Are you trying to scare me?
Don't worry, you'll find out soon.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you're not afraid of little Sammy's threat either.
Little, that's it. You asked for it.
Sammy, no offense. Personally, I think a ride in a washing machine is pretty fun. Isn't it, Sammy?
Yeah, sure. So much fun.
Now we need a compass again. But where is it?
Sue, I wanted to help you color the craft.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice it was a compass, not a brush.
Actually, you know what? That's even better. I've got an excuse to test my new compass.
I've got an excuse to test my new…
What are you saying?
Nothing.
Sure. All right, then. Now we're going to glue several pieces to the base. Pieces like this. I believe we should always repay negativity with something positive. That's why Sammy can't ruin my craft. Guys, secure the pieces neatly on the base. Don't forget to be careful when working with hot glue.
Positive, negative, baloney. She'll fail this craft anyway.
Place this circle in the very center of the carousel. There. You'll need 2 circles in total. What? Sammy!
Did something happen?
Calm down, Sue. Think positive. It's good that I made several spare circles. Here we go. Perfect, let's move on. Alright, now we need… Well, Sammy, did you want to say something?
Sue, I'm sorry. I won't take your stuff without asking anymore.
I'm not mad, Sam. I just wanted to prove to you that my theory of positive thinking works. Together, we'll finish the craft faster. Up. Now let's cut this long piece of flexible cardboard into little parts. Watch your fingers. Woo!
You know, Sue, I didn't like being at odds with you.
Yeah, it's not a pleasant feeling at all. There you go.
Sue, let's never quarrel anymore.
That's impossible. All people quarrel now and then, and that's okay. The main thing is to acknowledge your mistake in time.
Just like I did. I met you halfway.
Well, yes, Sammy, you did good. As always.
I am marvelous, as always.
Your modesty has no limits. Guys, let's craft a wheel that will make our carousel spin. Apply some glue. Be very careful. And roll the circle on the flexible cardboard piece. There. Done!
Sue, I think the carousel is a huge spinner.
Yep, but you can even ride this huge spinner. Anyway, let's assemble the motor for the carousel. Guys, the soldering iron is very hot. Be careful working with it. Or better ask an adult to help.
I'm a pro at making rides, so I connected the batteries to the motor.
This motor will make our carousel spin. Let's place it here and… Look! It works!
Wow! Cool!
Sam, what do you think we're gonna do now?
Oh, a straw is just what I need.
No, Sammy, we're going to make the carousel poles. Later, we'll attach seats to them, shaped like horses.
I can finally practice horseback riding again.
But Sammy, you never did horseback riding before.
Yeah, so what? I imagined how great it could be, you know?
Yeah? Tell me more.
Oh, just think. The red sun going beyond the horizon. Endless fields. My horse's mane flying in the wind. And me musing upon a distant scene.
Oh, how lovely. Somebody's a true romantic.
So, I'm not a romantic. I just like dreaming a little.
Yeah, me too. You know, I keep picturing things like…
Let me guess. Fashion shows?
How did you know?
Oh, that was so hard.
Anyway, I keep picturing models walking the runway wearing my dresses. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like dreaming too.
And hit the bell button.
Not to miss me and Sam turning our dreams into reality. In the meantime, I'm fixing this circle onto the poles.
Whoa, it's like a house for me.
Do you feel comfy?
Yup, I just wish the roof wasn't shaken.
Done. Sammy, I've got an important task for you. Can you draw a horse, please?
A head, a mane, and 4 hooves. Easy peasy.
Actually, drawing a horse is not that easy, but let's see how you manage to do it.
Simplicity is genius, as they say. Since I am a genius, it's gonna be easy.
Well, quite logical.
It's almost done. Check out my masterpiece.
Sam, I understand that you're a great genius, but this is too simple.
Think positive. Think positive.
Here's the finishing touch. Voila! The roof is done. Sammy, do you know why carousel seats are usually made in the form of horses?
Actually, yes. Why horses?
That's because earlier the word carousel referred to knights' performances. They would gallop in a circle tossing balls from one to another.
I know the word carousel means horses competition in French.
That's interesting.
Sue, do I look like a knight?
Sammy, you're incredible! The horse came out lovely as well. Let's attach it to the pole.
Your positive thinking theory is working.
Told ya! Here comes the second horse. And the outer part. Check how beautiful it is. There we go. Let's turn the carousel a bit more.
Sue, I want to glue one horse too.
Wait a moment, Sammy. Now you can.
All right. There. Done. Sue, I think something's missing.
What exactly?
Decorations, of course.
Right you are, Sammy. That's what we're going to do now. Here are our carousel decorations. Carefully apply some glue and attach each detail to the carousel. Here comes a cloud. I already like the result. Up.
Wow, Sue, it looks more beautiful now.
Thank you. Sammy, I lost a star somewhere.
Star? Star. Which star?
Very funny, Sammy. Anyway, you really are a star. Let's take a bigger star now. It goes to the lower part of the carousel. There. Also, let's set a little fence so that our horses don't run away. One more piece here. And we're done! Shall we add some magic?
Sue, how much longer?
Just a moment. Let's start the carousel.
Now you can finally take a ride.
And you too, Sammy.
No, thanks. I'm done riding today.
Guys, check out this great carousel we made. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
See you soon, guys.